you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your feed, reviewing it every day and saying to yourself, it's not over until I win.
Parece que hoy me gustas un poco más. Okay. Hola, ¿cómo tal? Son esa mecha, you say we should go and get a room. No.
Mr. Lover, now Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.
Everybody knows my name.
By the way, you've been uninvited.
And every second that I waste is another second sooner to a blessing I won't take. But my therapist will tell me that I'm going through a stage. Yeah, it's not a fucking stage, I just wanna feel okay. Okay, motherfucker, now you got my attention. Coma, woo, never think I'm rubber. Shot it so bad, sprung and I don't care. She wrapped me like a roller coaster, turned the bedroom into a fair. Her love is like a drug, I was trying to hit it and quit it, but little mama so dope, I messed around and got addicted.
So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're fucking for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dagger.
My L like, boy, it's good. She love the way I'm telling how a nigga keep it hood. Bow, bow, bow.
Everything that kills me makes me feel alive. I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Baby, I've been playing hard, said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Do you get deja vu? Strawberry ice cream in Malibu. Don't act like we didn't do all that too. You're treating darkness like we used to do. Everything is alright. Play her piano, but she doesn't know that I wanna rock if you're
ไปช่วยเคี้ยวกุดนะ
Si piensas hacernos algo, Hippo te dará una...
No hay problema. En serio, confía en mí.
Solo es el hijo de estoico el vasto, heredero al trono de Berk. Sí, el más grandioso amo de dragones que se haya visto en esta tierra.
¿Amo de dragones? Soy el único que controla dragones.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.